today's lecture we are getting the different timer modes used in 8051 in detail. In previous lecture we are seeing that there are the different four different operating modes used in a T mode. So first we are going to the timer mode 0. The timer mode 0 is a 13-bit mode is there. So what we are using, the first block is oscillator frequency. This oscillator frequency is divided by the 12, as in 8051 we divides the frequency by 12, and here is the C/T, which is stand for the counter and timer. So if it is a counter, it is equal to 1. If it is a timer, it is equal to 0. Here is the T and N is stand for either it is 0, either it is 1. So T stand for the T bit is there, timer 0 or timer 1, based on that we are using here. Now here is the another diagrams are there, which is the AND gate. Now this is the one input is given from TR, where TR is stand for the timer run. For every timer we have to use a start bit and we have to use a stop bit. So to run a timer we are having the two bits which are used in a TR, which is used for timer run, as well as we are having the INT bit is there, which is also used to run the timers and counter. N is stand for the both of that the same, that is either 0 or either 1. Now gate is there. In previous lecture we are saying that if gate is 0 then it is an internal event, and if it is 1 then it is a external event. So based on that it gives you the output, and this output is given here, the control blocks. Now there are the output which consisting of TLX. X stand for 0 or 1, THX, which is 0 or 1. So total 5 bits are used in lower nibble, and in higher nibble total bits are used by the 8. So 8 plus 5, that is a total 13 bits. So capacity of this is 2 raised to 13, and it is given by TF, which is nothing but stand for timer overflow flag. When it exceeds, then it gives you, it sets the flag TF0, is given for the interrupt. So this is whole diagram used for the mode 0. Now after mode 0 we are going for the mode 1. The changes in the mode 1 is what? Instead of 13 bits now we are using a 16 bit. So what is the changes here? In case of TLX we are using in previous 5 bits, whereas in case of mode 1 we are using a whole 8 bits. So these 8 bits plus this 8 bits total we are getting the 16 bits. So capacity of this is equal to 2 raised to 16. Remainings are the same diagram, same is there, oscillator which divides by the 12, which is given by C/T, which is nothing but counter and timer. This is a TN, which timer we are using, according to that this N bit is changing, either 0 or either 1. This is the timer run bit, this is the gate, and this is the interrupt bit is there. So this is basically the timer mode 1, and this is nothing but the timer mode 0. Now we are going for the timer mode 2. In timer mode 2 it is consisting of 8-bit auto reload. So what is the concept of auto reload? We are checking at the output here, remaining are the same. In case of this we are having a TLX. X stand for either 0 either 1. It is a 8-bit, so we are using only the lower nibble of a timer, which is a 8-bit. When it exceed from the 8-bit, then it is automatically reloaded through THX. So when it is exceeds the value, its values are saving into the THX, and after that it will be clear, and automatically it will be gets the new 8-bit X. Now this is the TF, which is used for the timer overflow flag. X stand for 0 and 1. Now last mode of a timer, which is stand for the timer mode 3, which is used for the split timer. Split means what? Either we can use TL, either we can use a TH. So basically when we are using the first, the oscillator is divided by 12. Up to this part it is the same, only changes is there. If we are using a 0, timer 0 bit is there, TL0 uses only TR0. So what is this? We are using TL0, that is timer 0 lower bit. So we are using here the TR0, that is timer run for the 0 bits, and TF0 bit of a timer 0. When it is using a X instead of that, it is a 0, then it is a overflow flag. So only either we can go for TL or either we can go for the TH. So basically in the all modes we are taking what? Mode 0 is equal to 13 bits, which consisting of TLX and THX. Here is the 5 bits and here is the 8 bit. Total capacity is what? 2 raised to 13. In mode 1, it consisting of 16 bit, which consisting of TLX 8 bit, whereas THX is also 8 bit. So the total capacity is equal to 2 raised to 16. In mode 2, it is a auto reload. It is a auto reload. So it consisting of what? TLX, which is 8 bit, and its capacity is 2 raised to 8. In case of mode 3, it is called as a split timer mode. So split timer mode means what? We are using either TL or we are using either TH, which is in the timer 0 or timer 1. So it is also 2 raised to 8.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than